Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today we're gonna be doing Bixby's vocal presets on the song that he did called "Both of Us," and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Oh, the 1K free presets, we're gonna get that out to y'all soon. We're just being really busy and stuff, with like real life shit and like just other like music stuff. And I know we did like a similar video to this it's with like the pop presets, but a lot of y'all been asking for like specifically Bixby, and this preset is just more catered to his sound. Like it just sounds more like his, and I'm gonna like help y'all like just by breaking down like how he records his stuff and just stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna play the song with the presets on so y'all could like get an idea of what it sounds like.
Oh, I can feel it in my body. Oh, I could see you right beside me. My life, oh, I can never trust nobody. Fucking my life. There it goes, I ain't big enough.
Okay, so yeah, he doesn't really do that much crazy layers. It's just the main layer and then the one other vocal layers, and these are just really ad-libs. There's like 7 total presets in this thing, in this pack for y'all and it's gonna be for FL21. But yeah, just make sure you get FL21, bro, to be honest. And then you can turn up, bro. You can sound like Bixby. But yeah, I'm gonna play the vocals without the presets on, so y'all could like get like a better understanding of the actual recording, you know?
Oh, I can feel it in my body. Oh, I can see you right beside me. My life, oh, I can never trust nobody. Fucking my life. There it goes. What you want? Oh, I can feel it in my body.
But yeah, the main thing he does is like falsettos and like throughout like the whole song. Like there's a lot of it, and that's like kind of just his sound. And you know, once again, these are like the ad-libs, and I'm gonna play those actually because those sound cool. You know, once again, two other pitches, like different pitch and on both sides. You know, and then the main also different pitch from the actual layers.
I can feel it in my body. Feel it in my body.
That sounds really bad. My singing is like really bad on this song, on this cover, but all the layers just have he's just singing different pitches and different tones or whatever, blah blah. And there's also another preset that I didn't really play, which is this one, which is another background. And on this song he just uses it to like just layer his vocals once again, but it's just like singing like in the background, and I'm gonna play that part.
I know what you love. Oh, I can feel it in my body. Oh, I could see you right beside me. My life, oh, I can never trust nobody. I ain't big enough for the both of us. I'm just trying to figure out what you want.
I honestly think I have it offbeat, but yeah, that's really it. Falsetto, sing, whatever, sing, cool sound cool. Sing falsetto, that's like the key, like, but don't overdo it, and you can sound like Bixby. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The auto tune that is used is included in the pack as well. Just search up a video on how to install plugins in FL, and then it'll just do it for you, I guess. And yeah, that's really it. This preset works on Windows, Mac, whatever you got FL Studios on. As long as you got FL Studio 21, and it's gonna work. And make sure on the preset, on the route, do this. So when you drag and drop the preset, it's like blah blah blah, you put it in and it's gonna look like this. Turn this off, click this when it's like this. Make sure it's not hooked onto that, and you hook it onto this. Do that for this, for the main and the STR. Same thing, just on the route, because the route is really important. And yeah, that's really it, honestly. I appreciate y'all for watching and stuff. If you have any questions, just message me on Instagram at 7akkiro, or honestly anything, email me, whatever. It's all gonna be 7akkiro. And yeah, bro, I hope you have a good day. Peace out.